Dacia Sandero, ek compact, hatchback high, jo apne, simplicity, affordability or practicality, k li mature high. Yeah, unlogon k li, perfect choice. High jo daily commuting k li, ek reliable or fuel efficient car chahte hain, red color main. Dacia Sandero car sporty or modern look, or b nikar car banata high. Iska front main, sharp headlamps, honeycomb grille or sleek bonnet design dia high jo Iski styling ko enhanced karta high. Iska compact size urban roads or tight parking spots, main drive or park khan ko asani banata hai. Dacia Sandero main. Efficient petrol engine dia high jo aki mileage or smooth performance offer karta high. Manual or automatic transmission options, k sath yeah car driving preferences, k mutabik choose, ki yar shakti high. Suspension system comfortable ride, ensure karta high kiop, city ki speed breakers, say guzreen yar highway par long drive car rehi hun. Iski handling light or responsive high. Jonai drivers ki li, bi's ideal banata high, andar say Dacia Sandero, ka cabin practical or functional high, dashboard ka design, simple high, likan sab kuch easily accessible high, infotainment system main, touchscreen display, smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth or navigation, highest features, available hain, jo apk, safar ko, enjoyable banate hain, front or rear seats, par sufficient legroom, dia height, or boot space, b, isk size k, mutabik coffee, generous high, jo groceries, yar travel bags, k li isali, calm, aate hai. Safety, k mamli main b, Dacia Sandero, disappoint nahi karti isks, multiple airbags, hill start assist, ABE, seatbelt reminders, or emergency brake assist, highs features, shamel hain, jo driver or passengers, ki, safety ko, insure cart, hain, Iski, build quality, strong high or long-term use ki li dependable high. Dacia Sandero, ek budget-friendly hatchback, high jo modern design, essential features or reliable performance ki a balanced combination offer karti high. Yeah, unbuyers, ki li. Ideal high jo, simple or smart mobility solution, chahte hain bina extra cost k.